This is cheating. Crap!
Oh, that hurts. Oh. It really hurts. It's burning. It's bubbling in my tummy.
I'm not fair. I spit on myself. Crap!
I'm done.
Ah! Time.
Yes! I finished it the fastest without burping. I won!
I'm number second.
Oh, that hurt. Ah, that hurts.
Yes!
I won. Woo!
Yeah, but I won the burp. I won the burp. Don't make me spit on
Third,
myself.
second, third.
Fair.
That wasn't the contest. The loudest burp wasn't the contest, right?
Alright, let's see if it's part of that.
Sure. You can stop that now.
Oh, look at what?
You can stop it now.